Hi, in 2026, as the world keeps evolving, as AI and machineries and automation keeps disrupting the career and education ecosystem, I do believe that and hope that more universities and schools will actually work together and collaborate in having good conversations, in guiding students to make right choices towards their future.
So looking into 2026, I'm very much excited about the arrival of the foreign universities in India, enabled by this National Education Policy framework, which allows for foreign degrees to be awarded in India. So this expands the options for all the stakeholders, including students, employers, stakeholders who are working in higher education, and of course policymakers. And that's a really good thing to have, because more options and more choices for students and bringing global excellence to India is a win-win for everyone involved in this process.
In India, there are almost 4 million students who prepare for science and technology competitive exams. And most of the decision making actually happens based on rankings, based on reputation and hearsay. Students should really look at faculty quality, faculty-student ratio, experience in classroom, project-based learning, and a lot of this can happen via educational tours. I know in the West it's quite popular when you go into high school to visit universities. I think in India it doesn't happen as much as we'd like it to be.
The policy changes that we are looking at is the students should get the maximum benefit, they should get access, they should get equity, and they should get quality higher education. So in terms of international education in India, give them the best of what is available overseas. From my side, I would say the advanced placement program should be accepted in all the schools so that it is also accepted in the universities here, and get the best universities from across the world to India.